Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to view WhatsApp status without them knowing. Normally, when you view someone's WhatsApp status, your name appears in their view count. Here's what happens when you view a status normally. Tap on the status you want to view. After viewing it, your name will appear in the person's view count, and they'll know you've seen it. Here's how you can view WhatsApp status privately without them knowing. First, go to the Settings page. Tap on Privacy. Here, you'll see the Read Receipts option. Turn it off. Once this option is disabled, you can view WhatsApp statuses without your name showing up in the view count. Let's retest it. It worked. You can view WhatsApp statuses without your name showing up in the view count. Important note: even if you view a status with Read Receipts turned off, if you turn it back on within 24 hours, your name will appear in their view count once the status expires. So make sure to keep it off if you want to stay hidden. Disadvantages of turning off the Read Receipts: you won't be able to see who viewed your status either. It may create confusion when others expect a quick reply, as they can't see if you've read their messages. You can't selectively turn off Read Receipts for certain contacts, meaning it's all or nothing. That's it. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.